Agile and adaptive environments share similarities in managing uncertainty, but they do so in distinct ways. Agile emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and customer feedback with short iterations of 1 to 2 weeks. Agile frameworks, such as Scrum or Kanban, offer structured methodologies for team interactions. Agile prioritizes high team engagement and frequent stakeholder progress demonstrations. Adaptive approaches encompass any method allowing flexibility and responsiveness to change beyond Agile. Adaptive environments refine requirements as projects progress, suitable for evolving user feedback. While Agile is a defined approach within them, not all adaptive methods are Agile.